So here you have the old radio, which is the 4.35 inch, 4.3 inch radio with the CD player, and the older radio that came in with my 2017 Hyundai Ioniq. And you could look at here, and here you have 3 connections to make in this, and you have those 3 things there, the two cable harness and the radio. And here you have 1 port, 2 port for the harness, and then you just have the radio here, right? Yeah. And then here you have the European radio, right? And the European radio comes with more ports than the regular radio. The same ports as the regular radio here, right? One of these connectors is for the audio outputs and stuff, which in this case would be digital, and in this case would be RC or analog. And the other one is basically all the other functions. This port that you are seeing here is the USB port. This port is the FM radio. This port is the digital radio, and this port is the GPS antenna, right? And then you have the front end looking like this, with an SD card option here, and then you have this one, and this particular model is 96550 G2251. This is actually G2250 and G2252, and they all basically are just variants of one another and have the same set of features and the same set of connections and stuff. This particular used radio has a little scratch and stuff on the screen, but when it lights up, you don't really appreciate anything there. Pretty good condition for the price that I got it for. Yeah. And this is the trim that goes with the 8-inch radio. The trim that goes with the 8-inch radio, and it is separate and different from the trim that goes with the 4.3-inch radio. Yep. One more time, and then all the ports here and the ports on the old radio. Yep.